Hey, how's it going? This is Badtuna. Welcome to my YouTube channel. This is my first tips and tricks video for beginners who are just getting started in creating designs for t-shirts. So in this video, I will show you how to do a simple design like a circle within a circle, as well as do a wraparound text, top and bottom, and then add colors to make it complete. Okay, so let's begin. Okay, this is starting off with Corel Draw 2019. Uh, if you have an earlier version or even the latest version, uh, they're essentially the same. Again, I don't have the latest version, but uh, the navigation and the icons if you looked on this side here, it should be the same. All right, so here's the logo or the design that I'm going to show you how to create. So again, it's just a circle within a circle and then text around the circle. Okay, so how we start, we grab the ellipse tool. All right, it's F7 here, but in your case, it might be a different a function key. So you just grab it and drag, and you can kind of eyeball it to make sure it's perfectly round. Now you can also do it another way. Hit the control key on the keyboard and drag this ellipse tool over right here, and it gives you the perfect symmetrical shape like so. Okay, and the next thing I would do is basically copy this circle or duplicate it. So you control C and control V, and there you go. I can actually I'll do the border of the circle like so, and I can again go control C and then control V. You have another circle within the circle. There you go. Then we can create the text and just do the text icon there. Type it here today. That's what I would do. I just put the text that I want on the top, and then and then the text on the bottom. Okay. Gone fishing tomorrow. There you go. So to wrap around the text to this inner circle, you would select that circle. You have the text selected, and then the inner circle selected. As you can see, it's now connected. And then you do text and fit text and path, and there you go. And now if you double click, you can now play with this. So you can move it, you can make it wider. So you can see that. All right, I place it where I want to place it. Now you can, as you move the text from left to right, you can tell if you're in the center by the red bar, vertical bar, as you can see there, right? So if you're here, you're obviously way to the right, and here it's just perfect right there. Okay. Forgot to bold this thing. This should be bold. There you go. All right. Make this one bold as well. And now we do the bottom. Do a select, and you select the same circle within the circle, and you do fit in the text. So now it's going to go up and wrap on a default as the same as the here today text. So what you do is just click that text. Oops, sorry. And you can move it around like so. Okay. And you can see it's not centered, so if you move the text, you can see the red vertical bar again, and it makes it completely centered. Okay, so now if you want the text to read up sort of like upside down, that's fine. But if you want it where you could read it normally, then you would go up to here, and there's a called mirror text horizontally, and what it'll do is make it looks like it's you're looking in a mirror here. And then to change that to read normally, you go up to the mirror text vertically, and then there you go. And you can stretch it out, move it, stretch it out like so. Make it as big as you want. Now, if you notice that the texts are so tight together, so what you can do on the side here, you can increase the space between the text. So you would highlight it, and you would do a percentage. 15%, is that good? Again, you just got to look at how it looks to your eyes. Okay, so that's perfect right there. So I just click out. So here I got here today, gone fishing tomorrow. Got the border to look just like the one here on the left side. Now I got to add colors. I click the center circle, and I'm just gonna leave it white. Okay, and then the fonts I wanted white as well. Turning it white. So, but the circle here, I want that color black. So what do you got there? And then the outside, I want it blue. Okay. All right, so it's a different color blue, but you get the gist. I can easily use the eyedropper to capture that color, and then come over here and color the same. So there you go. So that's a basic way of creating a circle within a circle and a text wrapped around the top and the bottom. Now here's one of my designs I just want to share with you that I created for as a t-shirt. It's on my website, but and this, you see that, oops, sorry. Yeah, it's a Pauhana Hui design. It's a Hawaiian local design, but you can see it's using the same concept design that I just showed you. All right, so anyway, that's it for this tips and tricks. Hope you enjoyed it. If you like this video, please give me a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in the next video.